Now our next number will be sung by Jerry Napiecek, Mack the Knife.
I don't know, how do you beat that, huh? It's probably the most famous hitman in musical theater history. Oh, the shark, he has such deep ears, and he shows them all pearly white. But just a jackknife that old Mack has, and he keeps it way out of sight. But you know when that shark bites with his teeth, they scarlet pillows start to spread. But fancy gloves now our old Mack wears, so there's never a trace of red. And on the sidewalk, hey, Sunday morning, there lies a body just oozing life. And someone's sneaking there round the corner. Could that someone be Mack the Knife? And the tugboat, hey, down by the river, don't you know, with those cement bags just drooping on down. And that cement's there, it's there for the weight, dear. If I don't get you 10, oh, Mackie's back in town. Now to hear about Louis Miller, he disappeared, baby, after drawing out all his hard-earned cash. And now our Mackie spends like a sailor. Could it be our boy's done something rash? Oh yeah, it's a J Diver. Hey, Snooky Tawdry, look out, Miss Lanya and old Lucy Brown. Now the line forms on my right leg. Now that Mackie's back in town, I said, Jenny Diver, oh, Snooky Tawdry, look out, Miss Lanya and old Lucy Brown. Now the line forms on my right leg. Now that Mackie's back in town. Look out, old Mackie's back.
Thank you, Jerry. I don't know how you can make a song about a evil deed of a thief, a womanizer, and a serial killer sound so snappy and happy, but thank you for sharing. And now our next number, Come Rain or Come Shine, by our very own Robin Smeddy.
I'm gonna love you like no one's loved you. Come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river. Come rain or come shine. I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't ever bet me, 'cause I'm gonna be true if you let me. You're gonna love me like nobody's loved me. Come rain or come shine. I've been fine. The days may be cloudy or sunny. We're in or we're out of the money. Yeah. But I'm with you always. I'm with you rain or
Smoking Hot Robin, that was amazing.